what can we expect tomorrow, sir?
Not tomorrow, tonight.
Not tomorrow, tonight.
Sir, kamusta yung naging pagkinig ka rin?
Nakapagod. It's, nakapagod. Yeah. Nakakapagod and it's also a relief for us to be able to air our side and to the, of course, to the side.
Sir, na-pressure ba kayo dun sa tatlong senador na ulit-ulit na appeal nila na umalis na po kayo dun sa KOJC?
Of course, there's always one effect on us.
Sir, sorry pwede po bang sorry sir, did you feel any pressure from those senators po appealing na umalis po kayo doon sa...
Pasensya na nga, palagay ko bad breath na ako dahil matagal akong hindi nakainom ng tubig at nanunuyo na lalamunan ko. Pero, you know, of course, tatlong senador yun eh. So, the pressure is always there. The effect is always there that we have to consider what they're saying even though, you know, it may run against the operational procedures, it may run against our sworn duties. Andun talaga, dagdag na isipin kumbaga.
General, yung sabi ni Atty. Torion na bumalik yung mga bolsa natin
Yes,
doon
of
sa
course.
basement, sir.
No question about that. We will...
So naka-cordon pa rin yung Jen? Naka-cordon pa rin yung basement ng JLC?
Kanina open nakapasok ang mga media ron.
Oo nga, so ngayon, open pa rin ba?
Yep. But we will continue exploring that place and we will cordon it again as the need arises.
Sir, nagkasundo kayo sa Proton Relic? Napagkasundo niyo ba?
You know, that portion is canalizing us into one instrument. As I've said before, masyado namang tricky question yun. Hindi naman po pwede yun i-surrender namin ang buong operation dahil lang sa isang napili ni Atty. Torion na instrumento.
So you're saying that you're afraid, sir, of the challenge by Atty. Torion?
We have a lot of instruments, MJ, and I will not allow that we will be tricked into that corner by your lawyer and debunk all others of all other equipment. That's why we brought more redundancy.
So ano yung napagkasunduan ninyo, sir?
Wala kami napagkasunduan regarding that matter.
Wala kami napagkasunduan?
Wala kami napagkasunduan. Isa na siguro dapat pagkasunduan dito. Ilabas yun si Apollo Kibuloy. Napakasimple. Doon lang ang katapusan ng lahat. Pag si Apollo Kibuloy ay humarap na sa huwes. Lagi niya sinasabi. Lagi rin sinasabi ninyo, MJ, justice for Apollo Kibuloy. Saan hustisya nyo hinahanap ang hustisya na yan? Sa kalsada? Hindi naman po pwede dyan. Pag sinabi nyo justice for Apollo Kibuloy, ibig sabihin, ang hustisya, iisa lamang dito sa Pilipinas, nasa mga korte. At ang unang step para makatanggap ka ng hustisya ay magpasakop sa korte. And in this case, to surrender to the court. Yun ang rason dyan, yun ang paraan dyan. Wala nang iba. Just like any other Filipino.
Sir, after the hearing, ano po maging changes ng police operation sa loob ng compound?
We will re-strategize. Actually, I'm energized. Yung mga lahat ng pinalalampas namin na obstruction of justice, a-actionan na namin.
So madagdag pa kayo ng tropa, sir?
Madadagdagan ng aresto, sigurado.
But will you do more drilling, sir?
Sir, you said about target. Can you expound on that?
As the need arises, we will do whatever it takes. We will do whatever is needed to catch Apollo Kibuloy in that compound.
That means ano, mas stricter kayo, sir? Would you be stricter sa...
Yes, we will be. The search will be conducted on our own terms, not on theirs.
But there's sure, sir, Apollo Kibuloy is there, sir.
Sinasabi mo obstruction of justice, pag hindi pa rin nakipag-cooperate yung partners, you were saying about it. Can you expound on it?
We will arrest anybody who obstructs the job of the police.
So, sir, sigurado kayo nandun ba si Apollo Kibuloy, sir?
We are. We don't have any other information that states otherwise. all the information that we have right now, and just sa loob.
Sir, hindi yung nag-obstruct. Are you expecting casualty on that?
As the need arises.
General, yung mga recommendation ninyo yun aalis yung mga followers ni Pastor sa compound. Kung hindi sila aalis, sigurado magkakagulo yun.
That's our recommendation. They can heed it or not. But we have ways to enforce that if the need arises.
What's that mean, sir?
Sir, paano yung Rambo para pag-hard arrest tayo?
Basta may obstruction of justice, huhulihin na namin yan.
Sir, ano po yung
Magtatrabaho ng maigi 24 hours ang ating mga arresting officers.
Ano po ang directive na ng National Office after this?
Wala pa naman. Wala pa naman. It's all on my call.
So what can we expect tomorrow, sir?
Not tomorrow, tonight.
Tonight, so are you going
Sir, naging walang silbi ba yung hearing natin today, sir?
Meron naman. We're very thankful for the initiative of the Senate of calling this hearing. It allowed us to air our side, which for the past 2 weeks is not heard because there are ethical restraints, there are legal restraints, and now we're able to freely show you what we are, what challenges we're facing every day.
Kasi parang baliwala yung mga appeal ni Senator Bato.
Hindi naman sa baliwala. Of course, we consider the appeal of the good senator. We consider the appeal of the good senator. It's an input in the way we move forward in this operation.
Sir, as for the number of the police inside?
It will be always dictated by the operational needs and the operational conditions and the changes that will come over.
Sir, yung panawagan nilang access dun sa Cathedral, GMC, ano pong tugon nito?
Access naman, hindi naman. Dramatics na lang yun eh. Kasi at to this point, pumunta kayo sa Cathedral. At makikita niyo mga abogado nito doon nagbabantay sa lahat ng aming ginagawa. Diba? At saka sa dramatics na pinipigilan ng media, kayo nakakaalam. You know the answers.
Pero wala naman,
Pag akong tanongin nyo, the media is everyday welcome in KOGC. However, that is not a decision that I can make considering that it is a private entity. Nakakapasok kami yung police sapagkat kami ay armed na search warrant and the rules of court allows us to break into this compound, into these enclosures, into these areas. However, kayong mga media ay wala niyan. Kaya lang, you can take the challenge of the KOGC that they're saying that you are welcome to go in there. So go in there and go inside, roam around, investigate the police in there, take videos of the police there in the innermost sanctum of KOGC. And let's see if you can do it.
so kung
Or
meron
they
kayo-
will allow it.
May sabi mo kasi kanina more future diggings na mangyari, sir. So
As the need
i-allow niyo-
arises ang mga diggings. Pero kanina sinabi ko doon, kasi nga nakita namin, we are off by 2 feet. Maybe we'll do it 2 feet, 3 feet to the left of the wall that we saw.
Sir, your thoughts naman, sir, on how the senators handled the committee hearing?
We have a high respect to our senators and we always thank them and I would like to express my personal gratitude to them for giving us this chance to also air our side, which have been so long suppressed during all of this operation.
Did you feel that the hearing was one-sided?
No. We were given a chance to air our side. The good senator have been very good to us. They gave us a chance to also give our presentation.
Because sir, di ba nag-huddle kayo for a minute? Anong nangyari sa usapan ninyo about the tunnel fee?
It's not about the tunnel, it's about a single instrument, which I do believe is canalizing us and limiting us to a single instrument, considering that we have brought in lots of instruments that they don't want us to use. I don't think that's really fair, or I don't think that's wise. And again, that is another demonstration of, again, them insisting their way.
Sir, gano'n pa ito katagal?
Hanggang sa mahuli si Apollo Kibuloy.
Sir,
Hanggang sa pagbabalik ni Apollo Kibuloy.
Sir, nag-meet po ba kayo ni Mayor Basilea?
Hindi.
You are in the same.
Hindi kasi naman, sir.